Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are still using Acrobat Reader, then there is a serious exploit that was actually given as a proof of concept back in June, but is fixed now. So if you are using Adobe Acrobat Reader, do go and download the latest version. Make sure that you update, as it fixes a flaw that is exploited in the wild. So it is really a problem where it can easily, with a malformed PDF, create a vector for after downloading malware through the Acrobat Reader software. If you don't need Acrobat Reader, remember that most browsers today do a great job at showing PDFs. So think about it. I always say it, the less software you have installed, the better it is. So depending on what use, there could be some uses for Acrobat Reader to understand that are unique. But for the rest, Edge, Chrome, and all of that all read PDFs today, and you're better off not downloading extra software. But if you need it, or if you really like it, remember that you just need to update it. So download the latest Acrobat Reader. Just make sure that you update and stay safe, because this exploit, once again found in June, is in the wild, and hackers are using it actively with fake PDFs that could actually transform your PC into a malware machine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.